Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. Adishia ma mimo bi biara akwaba. You ene ye de radiasi. Yeah, nearby be ye ene ye simple. You ye oatmeal peanut butter snacks. Ukwadwuma wafa baako ahye wo bagem. Wona wo kon ebe me wo ansa na wedi lunch anase brunch. Thank you. And you're healthy so. Jakonya ni fiasi. Nkwan abin. Spinach ready. So I'm going to let it cool down. You see, say no. The Nkwan you're cleaning cotton fine. Just say you better blend it. Perfect. Yeah, cutting any. Now 2 cups, no blended 1.5 cup, and I got 1 cup. Into peanut butter, 1 cup. You can buy the store one. You can make your own. And I will have honey, 1/3 cup. And I will have 1/2 cup cranberry, dry cranberries. You can use raisin. And I have here huge full cup oatmeal. Okay, into say nyamba bene say me de menya mani nyina befra. Just say me be canning nyina fra. Bamiri and off camera. I'll be back. Yo, tinya yenya ini. Just say me the parchment paper I sell. Me pan him cake pan. Nti bet me use pan bia o bia nani I okay so use bia. Say me transfer to here. This is saying okay. So now me dey ashe fridge kakra. Yam bake it. Dey she fridge kakra. Say ebe me say paper ni nti yetimi eyi. O ma wa de so. Anani. Come. Nkati cake sister. He says ni yaba be twitwa. Ti say ni a ope twitwa ni bia size a ope bia ye wo a wo de. No match mu say bi. Okay. Ni entwem ba ko bi on come. Open na kese say it's up to you. Then otherwise you be trim view. Okay. Tieni. We here back one. And answer we you are the no ready. And yes answer one. Wait to me dey share me the barber share Clenfield. Wa share akono eyi ube wie sesi a keka bobom na didi healthy. Thanks for watching.